Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 29, 2025, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong October 29, 2025, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, October 29, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 29, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, October 29, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of October 29, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.